Why we say paper cover making machine combo is India's first machine to make both paper covers and square bottom paper bags.
For this, we have introduced adjustable width plates for width formation in our combo machine. That's why we are calling it paper cover and paper bag making combo machine. The advantage of this width plate is, first thing, only 4 width plates are required to make all sizes of V-bottom paper covers and square bottom paper bags or SOS covers. We can manufacture maximum up to 9 inches gusset. We can reduce our working capital. For example, if you are purchasing 36 inches with paper roll, you can make 10 inches, 12 inches, 13 inches with gusset of 7, 5 and 4 inches respectively. Let's see our adjustable width plate in our paper cover making machine combo. This is the adjustable width plate with the top and bottom parts. You can see the same structure in fully automatic square bottom paper bag making machine. These hand wheels are used to expand or reduce the width. These gusset plates to form gusset which are fixed. To make V-bottom paper covers, we need to fix this small cutting plate with our adjustable width plates. And this is our 4th width plate, which can make 12 inches width and 9 inches gusset, which is used to manufacture 1 kg cake bags. So let's see the SOS paper cover costing. Many believe that only fully automatic machine can produce SOS paper covers at low cost due to high production per minute. If you reduce 15% on manufacturing cost through mass production, you will need to spend around 30% on marketing.